Guys, you never have to manually add serial numbers like I'm typing right now. I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can use to easily put in serial numbers in this column like a pro. Let me remove all of these. So the first one is the addition method. Type in 1 in the second row. Now in the very next cell, press equal. Click on the cell containing the number 1. Click on plus 1. Now click on the cell that has the value 2 and drag it downwards. So this will give you the whole serial numbers. Now let's say you don't want to do like this. The second method that you can use is called the drag method. So you'll write 1 in the first cell, 2 in the second cell. Now you are going to select both of these cells and then you are going to drag both of these downwards. So this will also give you all the serial numbers. Now guys, let's say you want to add in 5000 or 6000 serial numbers and you don't want to drag all of this manually down. So the next method that I'm going to show you is going to be really helpful for you. Like even if you want a million, you can go as much as that. So for this you'll have to click on the first empty cell, put in 1 over there, go back and again select the cell, then go over to search and type in fill. Click on the fill series or pattern, then go over to series, and once inside here, for the first series in option, click on column. The type should be linear. Step value is the value that we are starting from. The stop value is the maximum value that we are going to put. So you can put as much as you want, but for the purpose of this video I'm putting in 11,000. Click on OK, and this is how you are easily going to put in all these serial numbers. Now guys, if you want to add in Roman numbers as serial numbers, go over to the first empty cell, double click, now press equal, then type in this formula, click on enter. This will give you a Roman number. Now then drag it down all the way as much as you like. So that's how you are going to get some interesting Roman numbers as serial numbers. Do give this video a like and also check out the other informative and helpful videos on the channel as well.